Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to start a new series in which we will take a look at at the UI element. First off, I'm going to work with buttons, and there are two ways to do that. Basically, the first way is to just drag and drop a button here, and in our main activity we will initialize it. So let's call this button, and basically we just call this first import. So first we call find view by ID, and the ID, which is just simply button. So r.id.button, but as you can see it's red because I mistyped it, and it's giving back a view, so we have to cast it to a button. And let's make it a bit more interesting. Let's implement the OnClickListener and implement the methods. And now we have our OnClick method. But first we need to tell our button to use this OnClickListener. So set OnClickListener this, and for example show a toast message, toast.make text this for our context, button 1 pressed, and toast, let's make it short and show it. I'm going to start an emulator. I'm going to show you how it's going to work, but till it's starting I'm going to show you another way of doing this. Let's start it. So first we need to make a new class, call it custom button, and this is going to extend the base class of button, import it, and we need a constructor. So what am I going to do is call custom button. I'm going to just wait to be able to implement it. Yeah, and I need the second one. This way we can inflate it from our XML, and when our program starts it's automatically going to make this button and show it. And let's make an on-click listener for it and implement the on-click method and just show an other message like button 2 is pressed or custom button 1 is pressed. And this is going to be, we have to store our context, which is private context, and this dot context equals context. Oh, context, and this is going to be context. So how to do in our XML, just scroll down to the end and it should show, yeah, this is our view, and I don't know, place it here, and I'm going to change the new button text to button 1. This is going to be button 2 custom button. So I don't know what's, oh, we haven't built it yet, so let's run it and see what happens. Yeah, Genymotion. It built third time and not running. I don't know why it isn't synced. So it's built. But why is this not running? Just run again. Yeah, use this. Okay. So if we press button 1 pressed, button 2, oh, we forgot to set the OnClickListener, so set OnClickListener this. Custom button 1 pressed, button 1 pressed. And I'm going to show you another way of using the OnClickListeners. So let's make my OnClickListener. Let's implement the OnClickListener method. Implement the methods. Remove this. And I'm going to make 2 new button, and I'm going to place something like this, and this is going to be called button 3. No, it's going to be button 4, and the text is going to be button 3. This is going to be button 4. This is going to be just right below it, and make B3, E4, and I'm just gonna copy paste this, and this is going to be button 3 and button 4. It's alright. We'll take a look at it a bit later. B3, B4. Yeah. What's the problem? Oh, it's capital B. Let's change it. Yeah. It's found, and this is going to be a new. Oh, let's make a private on my OnClickListener, and OnListener is going to be good enough. OnListener equals new OnClickListener, and this doesn't need anything. Yeah. Bit of mistypes. OListener. Give it to this. Yeah. And in our new listener method, we can just make a switch in which we will just get the ID, and we will choose if the ID is button 3 or button 4. So case r.id.button3 break case r.id.button4 and break. So this way we are going to I'm going to just copy paste this and say get context and copy this to here and just say button 3 pressed with capital B, button 4 pressed, run it, and this is just going to work fine. Yep. And button 4 is pressed. So basically this is the basics of how to work with the simple buttons. That's for now. See you in the next episode. Bye.